What's going on, Director Chin? Landbreakers. And so many of them.
This isn't the worst of it. Look over there.
That place. It's the deployment area we reserved for the automation core.
From the scale of the rising smoke columns, the deployment area has completely fallen. This area was completely surrounded by Angeloi, yet these bandits still got through. How did they manage to slip in without anyone noticing?
Those landbreakers we encountered were probably just their vanguard. Director Chin, is there anything we can use?
Security Division gathered as much intel as they could. I'll sync it with you. We have yet to recover from the anchor fall. Power's still out, and we've taken heavy casualties. The Angeloi destroyed many backup cables. Our systems are failing. The attacking landbreakers have been confirmed as the Bone Crushers. Their objective remains unclear at present. But their assault was too well timed to be accidental. If the current situation persists, we will not be able to successfully deploy the automation core. We can use the resonance tower to activate Originium for power, but its energy cost is steep. It won't let...
You got a team of pros, Director Chin. Enmin, you saw...
I'm afraid my creaky bones won't let me swing a weapon. But I can still offer...
But should we come up with a more foolproof plan?
Have faith in us, Director Chin. I'm not just the supervisor of Endfield Industries. I'm also the acting lead of the Endfield...
I'm part of it too! Excited to work with you, Enmin. I'm sure there's a lot I can learn from you.
I hear Originium singing.
Get ready. My blades are always ready, as they never rest. Alrighty, now let's go and teach those pipe faces what happens when you mess with Endfield.
Administrator, I'd actually prefer it if you... Much appreciated, so we have a conclusion, Director Chin. The crisis team will whittle down enemy forces, deploy the PAC at the designated site. Mr. Andre, I'll contact you once the roads are clear. Apologies.
No problem. I feel so much...
Stop puffing up your feathers, old man. Administrator, Supervisor Prolica, and Before I forget, the TP point is not part of the base's... We're counting on you. Endman, let's first activate the teleprotocol point. TP points will let the team move around faster. And... Andre just updated me about your condition. Please.
All operators accounted for. The team is ready for the mission.
I'll protect everyone.
Just keep yourself safe out there.
Wow, those landbreakers are giving us a show of force. It's rare to see LBs this arrogant.
Of the 3 major Landbreaker clans, the Bone Crushers are the ones who actively respect violence. According to intel from the SOW, this clan has suddenly stopped their extended infighting and launched multiple raids on other minor factions. We don't have any further intel yet. The only thing we can confirm is that a leader has emerged and united the entire Bone Crusher clan.
I'ma break your skull.
On with the team. Feel it pop. Trust in me. Everyone's giving their all. I've got to step up too. I'm always here.
Ron and ready.
Come get some, you blight-eating scabs. Workers of the UW will never back down.
He's with the UWST. We've got to save him first.
Rest are just buggerly and puke. We get break them up.
Ready to strike. Take your end.
Ooh, I'm okay. Those LB scab eaters won't beat me that easily. Wait, you're Enfielders. I saw that anchor fall right into your base. The Angaloyan LBs kept trying to get into this place while tearing apart. Anyway, appreciate the help. I gotta fix our facilities here. I still have 2 buddies out there. If you see an Alafia and Fort, tell them. Something ain't right. Let's do this together, man. Break your
Here's our chance. Trust in me. Priscilla. Right there.
I'll always be Team Sunshine. Freezing cold.
Get our chance.
Endfield has your back.
I wouldn't expect anything less.
These minerals may come in handy.
Here comes Master Chen. Didn't expect this, right? I spent the sword and see the rock stuff.
Yikes. These minerals may come in handy. Endfield has your back. We face it together.
Ron and ready. Watch this! Awesome, right?
Wind speed's okay. Visibility's good. Perfect weather for snowboarding.
Watch.
Operator Perlica, standing by. Still waiting for something?
Antal of OPSI 7 reporting for duty. I've studied Originium
Oh, we meet again. Got an engineering problem? Put it out. Consider it fixed, and I will be even happier if there's canteen work for me.
Why do I have to do this again?
Antal of OPSI 7 reporting for...
Пограничник, Rhodes Island operator and officers serving the Order of Steel Oath reporting for duty. The situation is urgent. I respectfully request...
I am Egert. Call sign is Arknight. I am not a trained weaver of words.
Captain Akakuri of
Catcher. Op Team Z.
Antal of OPSI 7
Opsy.
Over here, Edmund!
Wanna come snowboarding with me, Endman?
The slightest slip of mind decides...
Wanna come...
The slightest slip of mind decides who lives and who dies in battle.
What?
Clearing the way for the rescue.
I'm with you. Support ready. Forward. Ready to strike. Take your end. Right there. Get it to me. My turn.
Verify and report personal status, team. We handled that fight well.
Hear that sound?
Engaging. Stay safe, team.
Freeze them. Here's our chance. Crystal up. Take another chance. We're fighting.
Outstanding technique.
I wouldn't expect anything less.
This ain't
Wait for the rescue!
Take this!
The raiders have taken a UWST crewmate prisoner. We must defeat them.
Right there!
Thank you so much. I got jumped by these pipe-faced rascals.
Rascals? Well, landbreakers can be rather
Dangerous indeed. You look like Enfielders.
Our base is safe for now. However, we also had to fight off an...
Solve the issue? That means every lost...
I am totally for that. But I guess our priority is to...
Agreed. You bail me out of the dead stage. I'll head back once I verify the facilities are alright. If you see my 2 other brothers out there.
Something
Engaging. Stay safe, team.
Freeze them! Attention! Another dance! Priscilla! Take this!
Outstanding technique.
Right there!
Good. Verify and report personal status, team.
I wouldn't expect anything less.
Good work, everyone.
Joining the party? Oh,
Yes, we're Enfielders. You're wounded, and... Did you...
I probably did. I got no ideas on fighting the bugaloids, but these raiders... pfft, all muscle but no brains.
We're trying to create a safe route to the hub base. You can go there to receive medical treatment.
Great. Oh, by the way, I kindly ask this pipeface here a few questions, before I could faintly make out signs of trouble up north. But...
North? There is a refugee camp north of here trying to work for the UWST. But these raiders came from that direction too?
No!
Cut the wires, you break the switches here, you smash the crates! Well, don't let boss. I'll go get him! Hold him off, boys! Crush me! We got crush me coming! Draw steel, boys! Crush him! Crush him off!
These LBs really aren't scared of anything, huh? Are you alright?
This is strange. The Landbreakers built a camp here.
That means we kept most of our stuff, right? Sounds like good news to me.
But it makes no sense.
So you're saying that they left most of the loot nearby?
Occupying.
Endman? Supervisor Perlica? I'm on my way with the cleanup crew.
Oh, it's Big Owl. Wait, you didn't mention my name?
We'll talk about the Landbreakers later. Our priority...
Oh, my legs are giving out. Anyway, this place is cleaned up. No time to lose now.
Whoa, let's just take it easy.
Of course I am. Though I must admit, I never...
Supervisor Perlica, we've received your protocol application and verified all access authority level.
Understood. The Endman and I shall initiate deploy... Endman. The PAC is protected by the highest levels of encryption. Everything is now in place. Let us begin.
Woohoo! That's wonderful! It's just like what I've envisaged. We can totally deploy the PAC... sorry. I just got a little too excited.
With the Protocol Automation Core deployed, this place is now the core AIC area. We can begin setting up our teleprotocol network. The AIC factory will need the core AIC area to perform production work. Now that we've seen the stars, we should plant our feet on solid ground. You reminded us, don't worry, Endman. We have not forgotten your lesson. The Protocol Automation Core and the entire AIC factory it supports will give rise to new...
I'm gonna give the Automation Core a few tweaks. Just deploy the relay towers and transmit power to the protocol.
I've allocated a batch of relay tower from our stockpile. We can now deploy these facilities anytime at the
Wow, that sounds awesome!
Oh, you can treat it as a form of facility printing, based on the properties of... By using the reverse internalization technology, the automation...
Entering core AIC area.
Nicely done. Our next step is to start power transmission from the PAC. Endman! Just plug the cable in right here!
Both the PAC and relay tower seem to be in working order. Now, we just need to deploy more relay towers and transmit power to—
Well, looks like my work here is done. Using the protocol resonance tower to force activate Originium might—
Okay then. Time to split our forces. Completing the automated industry complex is a top priority for Endfield Industries. It is our core solution for dealing with the hazards of Talos 2. Endfield completed basic verifications of the PAC technology several years ago. However, we encountered a crucial bottleneck that delayed our progress. Until recently. We're almost there, Endman.
Tell the boss. Endfield has arrived. Their administrator has taken notice of us. All the boss's predictions have come true.
Good. Connection interfaces look normal. I was worried about
I thought you Enfielders would never finish that project of yours. But you just deployed it in a flash. This tech is incredible.
We now only need a single night to construct a proper shelter in the wildlands. This is the future that we want to achieve. What was once our dream has...
You did a great job, Big Owl. Oh, I mean, Mr. Andre.
Oh, why so polite today, Master Chen? You got my feathers tingling and fluffed. I can...
I've always been like this.
Endman, Supervisor Perlica, power is back online.
Roger that, Director Chin. The automation core is working well. Perhaps we can run a few more tests.
Yes, we could definitely use the support. The comms node is still under repair, so we can't contact... Right now, the biggest problem is the Originium byproduct processing center. If anything happens...
Wait.
What's in the byproduct you mentioned?
Byproducts include... Let's set aside how many these raiders stole for now.
Someone must have planned and coordinated this landbreaker attack on our the underground lab. The protocol ought...
Then what are we waiting for?
Judging by how bad that gate looks, the facilities inside are... I recommend the Origo crust. It's the most common material for producing all kinds of machinery and equipment. The very nature of originium makes it...
Wow. If it's that useful, I'm guessing we've got a whole
yeah, we, just happen to have used up the local stash. That being said, we have to start from square one. You'll see plenty of ore formations and trees in the wilderness of Talos too. Since we lack proper gathering tools, I suppose... Good. We have enough originium ore, Edmund. I've readied the facilities. We...
Entering core AIC area.
Construction complete! We can now activate the refining unit. Edmund, you're an incredible learner. So, these... perhaps incredible learner would be the wrong way to put it. Anyway, you can start moving again once you're ready. Now that we have these materials, we can still salvage...
Big Owl? Besides those batteries...
Yeah, Jen. You got really sharp senses. I actually left a set of parts and some key documents for the prototype's upgrades. If I lose them...
Important documents. Mr. Andre, you could have told us earlier. Director...
Oh, you started the project without Director Chin's approval, didn't you?
No, it's not like that. It's, fine. The evaluation process can be a real... But I can't just delay the progress of the prototype project. It will be such a waste. Edmund, Supervisor Perlica, please.
We understand. Let's move out as soon as we can, Endman.
Oh, thank you so much. By the way, some operators just set up a few zip lines in this area. Use them. Shared facilities left by others are temporary. Feel free to try them out if you want.
This looks way worse than the photo.
Something's not right. They smashed the circuitry when the gate was closed. Those inside probably want to keep everyone out. Engage. Stay safe, team.
Freeze them! Take this! Target locked!
Outstanding technique.
Take
The battle has ended. Let's take a break while we still can.
I wouldn't expect anything less.
Verify and report personal status, team.
These minerals may come in handy.
Everyone, be cautious. That enemy looks very...
Take this!
We getting
Clearing the way for the rescue. All variables within estimate.
It's a me! Ready to strike. Take the rest! Good help, Erlika! Twist forward! Right there! Good shot! Good shot! Take one! Good shot! Take this! Good shot! Right help, Erlika! Here's our chance! Priscilla! Weakness!
Verify and report personal status, team. Great teamwork, everyone. Engaging. Stay safe.
Terminate! Support ready. Here's our chance. Here's your chance. Right there!
We made another step forward, Endfielders. Violence is never our objective. Let's press forward. Clearing the way for the rescue. All very well.
Here's our chance! Here's your chance, Edmund! Crystalla!
Everyone's giving their all. I've got to step up too. These Origo crusts really saved us some trouble. We have Mr. Andre to thank for that. Look, the Landbreakers really turned this place upside down. They seem to be looking for something.
Wait. Don't tell me that the LBs are really after the parts. What would they use them for?
I hope they have evacuated to safety. Perhaps we give the area a scan, Endman. The scanner might be able to locate some useful They even breached this place. These Landbreakers are clearly covering every inch.
Take this!
The landbreakers lingered here for quite a while. No signs of combat. Likely a failed stakeout or ambush. Someone has flipped through these data files. Are some of them taken away? Some documents have been taken away. But what about the parts?
Footprints lead deeper into this facility.
That would lead to a dead end. We should hurry up.
There must be somewhere. Boss wants the crate. Oh, God. We can search this place again. Keep looking. I'll poke around in other places.
That's
Bring them up.
Here's our chance. Crystalla. Target locked. In front of me. Right there. Pick your end. Change this. Weakness.
A definitive outcome achieved through strong teamwork. The battle has ended. Let's take a break while we still can.
I wouldn't expect anything less. Support ready. Forward. Ready to strike. Face your end. Give it to me.
We're in perfect sync. Verify and Perhaps we should return to the discussion.
so quiet. Maybe they're gone?
Keep your head down and shush. The footprints fade into that direction. We need to find a way to reach the upper platform. Let's look around. Perhaps we can find a crate to hop on. Don't be afraid. We are the Endfield crisis team.
Yeah, we totally defeated those landbreakers. They'll trouble you no more.
Thank you all.
Our security cameras found the landbreaker mobs heading this way. We stopped our work immediately, then took...
We got no idea what it's for.
This is it. This is the set of thank you.
Great. Oh, we also found a few other things. This con...
Over here, Edmund!
Wanna come snowboarding with... Oh, prepped and ready to go. Originium will carve a path. Prepped and ready...
Over here, Enman!
Wanna come snowboarding?
The slightest slip of mind decides who lives and who dies in battle.
Wanna come snow...
Over here, Enman!
Prepped and ready to go.
I'm primed for optimal performance.
You have something to discuss with me.
Since the landbreakers are gone, we should start the emergency repairs. They should last until the base sends more people and material. You know, we really appreciate all the help you gave us, my Endfielder friends. Things look good for now.
You stop! Drop the loot! That crate! It's ours! This is what?
Right there! Here's our town! Here's your chance, Enman! Crystalla! Sequence! Take this! Whew, they just won't give up. What is it, Perlica?
Those landbreakers. You heard what they said. Their leader is...
But why would the LBs want the documents?
What's even more suspicious is... Mr. Andre mentioned that he ordered and paid for the original... Mr. Andre should know more than us. Endfield has worked together with the UWST. The UWST has spent years researching the ether rift of Valley 4. Though it does make little sense. We'll get to the bottom of this afterwards. The good news is that we successfully secured the processing center. Endman, the automation core can also be a target destination for teleprotocol. Time is a luxury we don't really have. So let's try using teleprotocol and get back to the automation core instantly. Now that everything's settled, I guess Mr. Andre can finally breathe easy.
Guys, you've got to make Big Owl treat us to a mega feast. Otherwise, you're just spoiling him.
Only by walking upon the land can we truly appreciate every breath and pulse of life. And this is what Endfield is fighting for. Mr. Andre, we found the things you need. We also met a...
Wonderful, Endman and Supervisor Oh, by the way, and that will mean we need to gather a lot more This, Endman, is...
Portable Originium rig automatically sets aside some of the excavated ore to power itself. This self-sustaining auto miner doesn't... This is the place, Endman. Let's deploy the portable Originium rig on this mining spot.
Over here, Enman!
We can now produce Origo crusts in batches. Just like before, we'll make them by putting Originium ore into the refining unit.
Entering core AIC area.
Fabulous! I now have everything I need to start repairing the prototype. Enman, make sure you're here to witness its awakening. Landbreakers? Why would they want? T11 Originium prisms are highly fragile. The prototype is an experimental tech we developed for the ether side. Yeah, quite odd indeed. Maybe some landbreakers thought, hey, that looks expensive. Anyway, since we've retrieved the crucial items, let's focus on the matter at hand. We should...
And the arsenal is the objective of our... I couldn't get in touch with our arsenal.
Originium powder? I'm sure Big Owl knows how to make it, right?
Of course I do. It's time to reveal the shredding unit. Mineral ores, metals, plants, it doesn't matter. You name it, it shreds it. This is your penultimate shredding solution. Proudly does head to the PAC and use it to construct...
Where should we go next? Activate the shredding unit control panel to check...
Time to head to the arsenal. I haven't had proper fireworks ever since I left Wu Ling.
If I'm not mistaken, the local arsenal is managed by an arsenal engineer from Endfield.
Arsenal engineer? I remember seeing a little girl who was always running around with weapons in her arms back in Endfield. Are they related?
The arsenal engineers of Endfield Industries are professionals in all forms of armaments. The little girl you saw is actually just a picture. I'll properly introduce our arsenal director once we find the time. I'm sure she will get along with you and our Endman.
Simple and intuitive, right? It shares the same basic control panel as the refining unit. I say it's time to shred some Originium ore to powder.
Mineral ores form the foundation. We should gather more. Something important lies over there.
Finally a chance to stretch my legs. Ugh. Perlica, you hungry?
I'm all right. Get some quality rest, Chen. You're still counting on your positive spirit. Engaging. Stay safe, team.
Right there! Get ready to strike. Take your end. Take
Yours work. You did well. Much appreciated.
Take this! Right now, here's our chance! Crystalla! Right there! An easy victory.
Great teamwork, everyone.
Here's our chance! Crystalla!
Pulled off a sleek move. Lovely find. Well done. Is this Oraline? Oh, how pretty.
I wouldn't expect anything less.
Everyone, be cautious. That enemy looks very dangerous. Time to fight. Yeah, freeze them!
Right there! Right there!
Everyone's giving their all. I've got to step up too.
An easy victory.
A definitive outcome achieved through strong teamwork. Want some cheese? It's great for restoring your stamina.
Over here, Edmund!
Wanna come snowboarding with me, Endman?
Over here, Edmund!